In this video, we're going to see about Motul Petrol System Clean Plus. This Motul Petrol System Clean Plus can be used for both bikes and scooters, even for petrol cars. Let's see how it works. What are the properties of this cleaner? How it looks like? Mainly, how does it smells? What are the benefits of using this cleaner? First, we can see that why we should use this. It should not be poured with oil. It should be poured instead petrol tank. For 5 liters of petrol, you can pour 50 milliliters of this cleaner, which means a full bottle. By using this, it cleans the dust or any carbon content present inside the head, engine cylinder, carbon present in spark plug, and even inside the carburetor. The deposited dust or the carbon content is let out via the exhaust and completely burnt. Let's see this color. After opening and pouring this, it looks like colorless. This is flammable, so please handle this carefully. It smells like kerosene. While touching this, it feels like evaporating. By using this, it circulates wherever the petrol flows inside the engine. So it brings out all the dust part. If your bike or scooters run instead of spark plug, which means runs via injector, where the petrol flow inside this, the clogged injector gets unclogged if any carbon or dust particles are present. Simply, it works like an acid by removing the dirt. For best results, you can use this for once every 500 kilometers as recommended. If you need to purchase this system cleaner, you can purchase in our website to wheelerspares.com. The product link is given in the description, you can refer it. Finally, I poured in my scooter, where I had 2.5 liters of petrol. If you have used or not used this petrol cleaner, and what do you think about the additives and other cleaner products, please tell your thoughts in the comment section. Thank you.